Have you been looking for a home where all of the work has been done for you already? Well, I have found one for you. My name is Francine Bush.
And I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team.
Today we're at our newest listing at 1501 Linda Vista Drive.
We are so excited to show you all of our favorite things. This home has 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a double car garage, and almost 3,200 square feet. Let's go show them around.
Let's go. So my favorite thing, number one, about this house is this covered patio to keep you away from the elements and also where you can enjoy some coffee in the morning. Favorite thing number two about this property is its open concept, and it's got a lot of upgraded features like this cable railing here.
Favorite thing number 3 is definitely this kitchen. Don't you just love these green cabinets? And you all know how I like the taller uppers. And if the green cabinets were not enough, we have actual marble countertops. It has this leathered feel and they are stunning. We have stainless steel appliances and a tile backsplash. Now, this kitchen is around the corner from the front door, which I love because if your kitchen's messy and you have guests over, they won't see it.
Favorite thing number 4 is there are not 1, not 2, but 3 living spaces. Favorite thing number 5 is these amazing bathrooms with a spa-like feel. This has such amazing earthy tones.
And we can't forget about the soaker bathtub in the hall bath.
I'm now in the primary bathroom and it's amazing in here.
The primary bathroom has all the upgrades of the hall bath and more. Tiled shower, glass enclosure, double sinks. It just feels luxurious. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms all on one level. All are great sized and have lots of natural light.
Favorite thing number 6 is this very spacious basement with 2 conforming bedrooms and 1 non-conforming bedroom.
My favorite thing in the basement is this room. It would make the perfect reloading room if you're into that. I would make this my closet. Wouldn't this be the most amazing closet? And it's attached to the bathroom. I'm sure you all have noticed that this home is so cohesively put together. It has been designed and thought out all the way through. I love how all the vanities match and the countertops, the luxury vinyl planking, the carpet. What's your favorite part of this home? A few other things we wanted to tell you is this home is near Manor Heights Elementary School and Kelly Walsh High School. There's lots of shopping, Eastridge Mall, and if you all love Metro and La Casina like I do, it's down the street as well.
If you'd like to take a look at this home, please give us a call.
Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.